Data residency controls where data can travel. Vendor risk controls who is allowed to process it, change it, and depend on it. Enterprise AI agents rarely run alone. They call model APIs, vector databases, search services, identity providers, automation tools, SaaS apps, data enrichment APIs, eval platforms, monitoring systems, and human review vendors. Each provider can change pricing, update models, store logs, train on data, suffer outages, modify policies, add subprocessors, or introduce supply chain risk. A normal vendor questionnaire is not enough for agents, because agents act continuously and call vendors dynamically. Risk needs to be attached to each workflow, model, tool, data category, region, and action. After MCP connects tools, permissions control actions, memory gives context, evals test behavior, observability traces production, human handoff routes risk, governance owns the fleet, security protects boundaries, cost control limits spend, reliability handles failures, release management ships changes safely, incident response contains outages, scaling handles demand, data quality keeps facts trustworthy, ROI proves value, adoption builds daily use, the operating model ranks the portfolio. The platform gives teams safe build paths, compliance evidence proves controls ran, privacy keeps sensitive data under control, and data residency controls where data goes. The next layer is vendor risk. Build it in 5 parts. First, inventory every AI dependency. Track model providers, tool vendors, plugins, data vendors, vector stores, monitoring, evals, human review, subprocessors, data retention, and training rights. Second, tier vendors by workflow risk. A low-risk summarizer is not a high-risk claims agent. Use data sensitivity, autonomy, customer impact, financial impact, regulatory scope, and outage blast radius. Third, review contracts and controls. Require data processing terms, no training on private data, breach notice, retention commitments, audit rights, uptime, model change notice, security certifications, region commitments, and subprocessor transparency. Fourth, monitor vendor changes continuously. Watch model version updates, policy changes, incident notices, latency, cost shifts, eval regressions, new subprocessors, and support SLAs. Fifth, prepare exit paths, keep fallback models, portable prompts, portable vector data, backup tools, migration runbooks, and kill switches for vendor failure. That is the AI Agent Vendor Risk Autopilot. Inventory dependencies, tier vendors by workflow risk, lock controls into contracts, monitor changes, and keep exit paths ready.